Well, it is that time of the year, our favorite time of the year. Property taxes are due. 1.7 acres in the beautiful state of Utah, $17,100. Unfortunately, $17,000 for property tax. Today is October 17th. SEMA starts in 2 weeks. It seems like no matter what we do, SEMA always comes down to the 11th hour. 4 years ago, 3 years ago, 2 years ago, last year, we were down to the final day. The car got done and we made it just in the nick of time. So SEMA is the largest automotive trade show in the world. It's in Las Vegas, Nevada, October 31st through November 3rd. And my carbon fiber Aventador is gonna be on display at the Flexi Shield stand, and we gotta get the car done. It's gotta be on a truck in 12 days en route to Vegas. Are we gonna make it? I think so. I hope so. We better. I also have to point out, I'm not really doing anything. Envision is taking care of the car. Nate is working around the clock to finish the car. So although I'm stressed, he is very stressed. We love Nate. If you did not see my last video, welcome to the channel, the Lamborghini LM002, the Rambo Lambo. Now, unfortunately, as you saw in the last video, this truck does not have a powertrain. There is no engine, there is no transmission to be seen. So I have a lot of ideas of what I want to do with the LM002. One hero in the last video, I cannot take credit for this, he suggested we put an Aventador V12 engine in the LM002. I have no idea if that's possible. It's a 1989 Lamborghini LM. I don't know how you do that. An Aventador engine is like $100,000. You got a transmission, you got an ECU. Is it possible? I'm sure with the right amount of money, it absolutely is. But could you imagine a fire-breathing, straight pipe Aventador engine in the LM002? That's a 6 by, I mean, it's gotta be a 6 by 6. It has to be. Low tire pressure, do not proceed. Engine control system failure, go to dealer. I'm definitely not a physicist, but when air is cold and you warm it up, the air actually expands. When you have a TPMS light, you could add air, or you could also expand the air inside the tire, and the way to do that is a quick downshift. You gotta add heat, and you go like this. Go, that's 9,000. This is for the TPMS light, go. Get that air pressure. Oh, it's a 6.5 liter Ferrari. The haters have been saying every single video, all I do is drive my Ferrari or my Lamborghini through underpasses. Well, yeah, duh. We're bringing class back like it's 1987. What? Girth Nation, have yourself a moment. We have the RWB Porsche. That thing is insane. Matte black Hummer EV. That thing looks so good. I miss my Hummer already so bad. It's been like, what, 48 hours? Not to put you on the spot, Nate, but I'm trying to figure out what kit do I get for the 812 Superfast. We have the Novatec in Largo, which is already sold out, so that's not an option. Okay. We have the Mansory Stallone. We have the Auto Veloce SVR kit or the 1016 kit. Say it, you know you like it, you know you like
Mansory,
it.
It's gotta be Mansory.
Right, that's right. Most of the Mansory kits I don't like, but the Stallone looks insane.
Yes, I like that one.
It's about $120,000 though, so still.
I don't like that part.
Yeah, I don't like that part. You look exhausted.
I've been here till 3 a.m. for the last 3 weeks, so.
I appreciate you and I support you. Thank you, thank you,
Yes.
thank you, thank you. We should go see the car because inside sources tell me maybe a first drive right now, today? Maybe.
Yes.
I think there's a lot of people that think I sarcastically say give this guy a raise, but I'm actually being serious. Like, this guy has worked around the clock. Ooh, hello, beautiful. Oh my goodness, so we went with the pink calipers. They look absolutely perfect right here. We also have the full carbon fiber doors. So shout out to Rob, Carbon Creator. This is skin carbon fiber. So it's not like, it is real carbon fiber, but it's not real carbon fiber. Basically, they took the factory door, they molded the carbon fiber onto it. Don't break your back, bro, jeez. You are looking jacked though. I mean, when I look back to the photos in May, you are scrawny compared to now. You're welcome.
You've changed me.
You're welcome. Look how close the color on the calipers is to the disc there on the Rohana wheels. That is actual perfection. This thing rolling down the road is gonna be next level. Like, this does not fit in Utah.
No. The Highway Patrol is gonna love you.
Nate, we're having a good day. I've been pulled over in like 2 years. We are gonna weigh this Aventador tire and wheel 75 pounds. That is actually absurd. You're up. That is absurd. No. Look at me, I haven't worked out in months.
I did all this, you're up.
I would actually break my back and I wouldn't be able to go to SEMA. I wanna say the average gym membership is about $30 a month, 12 months in a year. I'm saving you $360. You don't have to go to the gym anymore. Forget the free weights, just buy yourself an Aventador tire and wheel. He actually torques the lug nuts to factory specification just by feel. Obviously, I'm being sarcastic.
90 foot-pounds.
That's it. What? We should be at 105.
105? Well, I gotta go to the gym.
Should tuck in ever so perfectly. Dude, That looks so crazy. This thing is squatted to the moon. Can we just leave it like this somehow? No, is that possible? Is that somehow possible? A squatted Aventador. That's never been done.
Let's see how strong the carbon is.
Whoa, okay. Easy there, fella. And finally, the moment of truth we've all been waiting for. Look at that mental dexterity right there. As we slowly drop the Aventador to the ground. Oh my goodness. Bro, this looks insane. Look at that smile. There it is. This is so insane. What?
I think the front lift is up too.
Who left that up? I don't leave that up. I'd never do that.
I left that up.
You'd leave that up? You gotta drop that. Seeing the Aventador all exposed like this is so wild. It'd actually be cool to take the car to SEMA just like this. We got that full straight pipe Gentani exhaust. Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God. Oh God. Breathe it in, boys. Breathe it in. I haven't driven this car basically since I got the new exhaust. I'm always just as excited for that. We're doing the old quality assurance test right now, seeing if the newer Honda wheels rub it all with the carbon. Obviously, lift is up right now. Things are looking pretty good though. Dude, this carbon fiber is so beautiful. I like the fitment on this car is actual perfection. It looks so good. Every little detail on this thing. Oh my goodness. I just missed that. The lift is down. What? That thing is on the ground. Look at that. What in the world? This is so sick. This is so crazy. Bro. What? Look at that. Look at that thing. I actually am getting the chills right now. I've known this guy for 10 years. We used to be car spotters back in the day, and now he's building a custom carbon Aventador for me. This is sick. What? I want to say maybe 2 or 3 years ago, I actually had this Aventador lowered a little bit. We might need to lift it back up because right now, with the lift down, we're getting a little bit of rubbing right now. That's why we're doing the quality assurance right now, because we still have 12 days. You're good. I cannot wait for the orange to be wrapped matte black, and obviously the interior's got to go full pink too. Oh my goodness, she's so wide though. Look at that. I am literally blown away. This is the coolest build, the coolest car of all time. You guys know I bought the Aventador about 5 or 6 years ago. I still cannot believe to this day I own an Aventador, and now she is full carbon. When the carbon fiber hits the sunshine, we're getting so close. Bruh, are you actually serious? Wait for it. Ladies and gentlemen, the carbon fiber Aventador has officially touched down here in the beautiful state of Utah. What? Look at that thing. Look at that car. That carbon fiber is beautiful. When I bought this kit back in December, I knew it was gonna be cool, but I had absolutely no idea it would ever turn into this. This carbon fiber is just popping right now. Obviously, she still needs a little bit of love, a little bit of polish, but that thing is unbelievable. Look how wide she is. This side profile might actually be my favorite view as well. Those pink Honda wheels are so cool. When I went with the pink, I thought I was crazy, and now I think I was a genius. It looks incredible. The standard Aventador is one of the widest cars in the world, and this is about, I don't know, maybe 3-4 inches wider on both sides. Finally, we've been waiting for this for a long time. It looks ridiculous. It looks so good, like from the front right here. Look at that. I also want to reiterate that these doors are skinned in carbon fiber. That's not a vinyl, it's not a wrap. This is actual carbon fiber, and Rob from Carbon Creator absolutely killed it. I mean, just look at the innards of the door right here. The seams are actual perfection. I mean, if I didn't tell you, you would never know. You would never know this is skin carbon fiber. Someday, one day, I want to do an entire car in skin carbon fiber. I don't know exactly what car to do. Now, unfortunately, Rob was telling me the roof is next to impossible. It's just too big of a piece. You'd have to have a seam running down the middle. All the sunlight hitting it, it would probably color. And so the doors we're gonna leave as is, and the roof we're gonna leave as is. But look at that. That is perfect. As far as the next steps to get this car done, basically we want to do PPF. So Flexi Shield is going to PPF the entire car. It's going to be on display at the West Hall at SEMA. So if you're there, you got to go check it out. And then there's some slight trimming left to go, and then piece the car back together, wrap the roof matte black, and then obviously the interior is going to go pink someday, but not like anytime soon. We went back and forth so many times on the calipers. I'm so glad we went with the exact same pink. We were going to do yellow, but what's so crazy is like these discs were powder coated like, I don't know, 8 months ago. These were powder coated like 2 weeks ago. They're exactly the same. What in the world? I think from further away it actually draws more attention to itself. You actually think it'd be pretty cool to leave it just like this, but obviously there's no taillights right now. There's no license plate either. But man, the skeleton of the Aventador has got to be the coolest car. So as I mentioned, if you're gonna be at SEMA, my car is gonna be on display in the Flexi Shield stand in the West Hall in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is the last time I'm gonna film this car also, so the next time you see it, she's gonna be done. I think for prosperity's sake, we probably just maybe all the way, not big. This is why I'm going deaf. What in the world could you imagine? You're driving late at night, this car comes out of nowhere, flies by you, shooting flames from here in North Carolina. Well done. No, well done. You're growing up.
Thank you.
Shut her down? I'm gonna be deaf, bro. Are you gonna? Okay. I'm legit gonna be deaf now. No, I'm gonna be deaf.
It's a little bit louder than I remember.
A little bit louder, just a little, just a smidge. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna film it. It is actually a perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah, but that also means the fall is the end of summer and winter is coming. I gotta get a Lambo tractor. There's gonna be snow here before I know it. It's been recently brought to my attention by my haters that whenever I rev a car inside the garage, the expression I make is extremely annoying. And so just for them, I'm gonna rev the car, no expression. It's what? I can't help it. To all my haters, if you were here, you'd be smiling, just a little smile, a little smirk. No? You're not upset with life? I feel absolutely terrible. I'm doing you guys dirty. If you guys were here, if every single one of you guys were here, I would give you a bite of my chicken sandwich, but you're not, thankfully, so I can't do it. The carbon fiber Aventador is coming together, and then the search for the hypercar. So I've narrowed it down: McLaren P1, Koenigsegg Regera, Bugatti Chiron, Ferrari, LaFerrari, and Porsche 918 Spider. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I believe I'm flying to a foreign country tomorrow to drive one of those cars. More to come. Goodbye.